Whew.
Well, that was an exercise.
It didn't have to be a run.
I wasn't running.
Okay.
Zigzag, zigzag.
239. Dark. Ooh, we got big doors.
Big doors.
Here we go, people. It says access granted.
Go ahead.
Duh. Oh, it's hot in here.
You go ahead. We'll get this.
Yeah, I want to wait. Wow, look at this, people.
Okay. All right.
So we booked this last night, last minute.
Oh, snap.
They gave me the digital key.
Valerie, what did you do?
What did I do? I told you I didn't like the downtown hotel.
Yeah.
So we did change it. So we are in the, what is this called? This is
Luxor.
called the Tower Elite 1-bedroom suite. Tower Elite 1-bedroom suite. This is gonna be Jim's bathroom. It's a bathroom for himself. He can walk all the way out here when it's time. Jim's like, what in the world? So we got a window. Can we open these blinds? Get some.
I'll do it.
Look at this.
Hello.
The other room is just way too small. Oh, I love the view. And we'll turn it down to about 40. Wow. Kind of like that view. Come on, look at that. Definitely a different side of the strip. We got an L plate right. Fish tank. Almost as nice as that place we stayed in Paris when we got that corner suite. And got a wet bar, espresso, and some espresso pods. Yes. Hand wash. In-room delivery. Let's see what's got in here. Nothing. We got a dining room table. This is actually pretty affordable. It's about $165 a night. Here's the bedroom. There's a fan. That's weird. Jim said, what? I wonder
Am I
what...
like the help or something? I have to use that little closet?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's 2 air conditioners. I wonder why there's a fan. Maybe the last people asked for a fan. I bet these windows get it hot in here.
Oh, I bet they do.
And king size bed. You get a gym in the corner. Let's look at the, oh.
This is probably my bed.
Hello. And we got a closet. There's a safe up there. Is there money? Can't see. Can you check the safe for money, Jim? Bathroom. Oh my god, it's the biggest bathroom I've seen in a while. 2 sinks. Hand wash, lotion. Bathtub. A little toilet. And walk-in shower. Not too bad. I wonder what Jim thinks about me now. I wonder what Jim thinks now about me changing our room the last day. Because, sometimes. Did you look in the safe?
No, I didn't.
Go look in the safe. I can't see. Or put your hand in there.
Overwhelmed.
overwhelmed. Nothing? Okay. Darn. Someone never left their winnings in there.
They did.
Get in your room. Get in your room. Bye, Jim. If I had one complaint so far, is it's hot. We're gonna have to close the windows. Did you fix the coolness of the room?
I did. I fixed the coolness.
No, in the afternoon, the lights, the heat's not
The sun is on the
other side. It's not so bad. If I was gonna pick a side, I'd pick this side. Look, you get a good view of the airport, the pyramid, the parking lot Tropicana's gonna become. MGM. There's a castle right there. There's Jim.
I'm here.
I'm here too. So, third hotel we've stayed at in Vegas. And this one's very nice. Actually, I looked on Expedia. It looks like it's $500 a night. Oops. And on the MGM resort website, it had $165 a night. I'm not sure exactly what it would be. We had it comped from Play, so this was a free night here tonight. And definitely worth it.
Oh.
Yeah, definitely worth it. So this is really nice. Bed looks nice. It's not so hot anymore. The only my big complaint, I have a complaint. I love room service, and there's no real room service during the week. So I guess we're gonna have to go out and look for food. Huh, Jim?
Yes, we are.
We have no water. We have no food. We have to go get something to drink. I'm getting thirsty. But so I'll give a morning review how we liked it, and Jim will tell you how he liked the bed. From there, I mean, it looks close. We could just walk there in the morning. Vegas has that illusion.
Oh, it's just right there.
It's right there. Let's just walk. Let's go.
Look, the MGM's just right there. No, it's like a mile away.
I know, right? Okay, so final review in the morning, and like and subscribe. Most of our videos from Vegas will be shorts and lives we've done, so check them out. And you don't need another food, cheap eats of the area or best buffets. It's all expensive. It's all good. Well, no, it's not all good. We haven't had anything terrible, have we?
Not yet.
Not yet. So check them all out. We got lots of little shorts, little things, little food, little drinks, little slot machine wins. You have downtown Fremont Street. Check it out, like and subscribe, and help us out. If any of you want to book any of these hotels, look at our Expedia travel shop. Get a little bit from that.
Not very much.
No, not very much at all. We were talking about like a half a percent of a percent, maybe. It's nothing. But I do like to help you out, and if you want to help us out a little bit, you know. And if you have anywhere you want us to go, tell Jim. He'll go anywhere. Pretty soon we're going to come home. We're going to take a trip in a week. Where are we going to go?
We're going into Missouri.
And then Florida.
Yes. Florida.
Missouri.
Yes. We are going to Pensacola, Florida.
Fort Pickens with the van.
Pickens. Well, Gulf Breeze, Florida.
No, Fort Pickens
Yeah, Fort Pickens.
in Pensacola Beach.
Yeah.
Why? And Gulf Breeze.
And Gulf Breeze and
Joe
Pensacola
Patty's.
Bay
And we're gonna go to Missouri. We have Baker's Creek Festival
Yep.
and Fall Festival. We did that a couple years ago, and it was fun. And we're going to do something, hopefully every week. So check it out. We're gonna try to do things people don't normally do because, like I said, you can see everybody else's buffets, videos in Las Vegas. This isn't anything new.
No.
We're gonna go try. Oh, and then I've been trying to book a trip to Marrakesh, Morocco. That's my bucket list destination, and I'm hoping within the 6 months. I don't wanna go home. This is like luxury living.
It is.
Look at this.
It's bigger than our house. Not really, but
Actually,
it's close.
no, living space. This is bigger than our house because if because we don't use my workspace as living space. We don't use the kids' bedroom as a living space.
Right.
This is bigger than our house.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. And they don't even have a kitchen. Their kitchen, their wet bar is bigger than our kitchen. I could convert that into a little kitchen, and then I'd be fine. Who needs to eat? We gotta go on a diet anyway. Final review before we head to the airport and go home. Vegas, first let's come sit with me, Jim. Come sit with me. First, the review on this awesome Luxor suite. It's nice. If it's under $500, I'd get it. Because like I said, I'm not too sure on the pricing of it. Because on Expedia, I think it shows it as a $500 room night room. But on the MGM resort, to book it through them, it showed me as $165. So I'm not really sure.
Big difference.
Big difference, so I'm not really sure. Maybe it's because of our playing level. I don't know. So I would definitely get this. Would I get this over the Cosmopolitan? Probably. Would you?
Yeah.
If it was the same price, no, I'd go for the Cosmopolitan's balcony. There's no room service really here at night.
No, there's nothing. Everything closes.
I'm a room service kind of girl.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and now my arm. Vegas. We're not coming back.
No, it is.
Not anytime soon. That lamp looks like it's on top of your head, Jim.
I know, it's my hat.
It's just Jim's new hat. So, no, I don't think we're going to come back to Vegas anytime soon. But then again, we're going to do something new. We're not going to go to places we go all the time. The only place we're going to go to all the time that we go to is Branson because we have kids there. So we'll do a video once in a while there. But other than that, we're going to try new places, new venues, new hotels, new camping spots, new something, and we're gonna do it all the time. I didn't do a lot of long videos. There's tons of shorts. Check out the link at the end. You can see all the places and things we've done and all our wins. They're not many.
Not very many at all.
Not very many wins at all. But you can check out all the shorts and the lives we did. So until next time.
Ciao.
Ciao. Like and subscribe, and we will be back.